Planet X, Nibiru. These names whisper of hidden worlds and cosmic mysteries. For decades, they've fueled speculation and captured imaginations. Is there a rogue planet lurking in our solar system? Or are these tales spun from myths? Join us as we venture into the unknown, where science and speculation collide. The search for Planet X began over a century ago, driven by irregularities in the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. The discovery of Pluto in 1930 seemed to solve the mystery, but its small size couldn't account for the anomalies. The quest for Planet X continued, leading to the concept of Planet 9, a hypothetical planet far beyond Neptune. We'll examine the evidence for and against Planet X and Nibiru, exploring scientific methods and speculative mythology. In the 19th century, astronomers noticed peculiarities in the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. This mysterious influencer was named Planet X, sparking a cosmic detective story. The search for Planet X was a testament to scientific observation and persistence. Each new observation brought astronomers closer to understanding the outer reaches of our solar system. In 1930, Clyde Tombaugh discovered Pluto, initially hailed as Planet X. However, Pluto's small size meant it couldn't account for the observed perturbations. The mystery of Planet X remained unsolved, but the search continued with renewed vigor. The discovery of Pluto provided valuable insights into the outer solar system. In the 21st century, astronomers noticed a peculiar clustering of orbits among distant Kuiper Belt objects. This hypothetical world, dubbed Planet 9, reignited the search for Planet X. The search for Planet 9 is ongoing, with astronomers using powerful telescopes and sophisticated models. The discovery of Planet 9 would rewrite our understanding of our solar system's architecture. Zecharia Sitchin introduced the world to Nibiru, a supposed planet on a 3,600-year orbit. Sitchin's theories, based on his interpretation of Sumerian texts, have been widely rejected by mainstream scholars. However, his ideas gained a following among those interested in ancient mysteries and alternative theories. The debate over Sitchin's interpretation of Sumerian texts continues to this day. Central to Sitchin's narrative were the Anunnaki, advanced beings from Nibiru. Sitchin argued that the Anunnaki influenced human civilization and created us as a hybrid species. This idea contradicted established scientific understanding of human evolution. The Anunnaki narrative remains speculative, lacking scientific rigor. Sitchin's theories faced criticism for inconsistencies and lack of evidence. Despite this, his ideas gained a following, spreading through books and online forums. The Nibiru doomsday predictions fueled anxiety and fear, despite being dismissed by scientists. The Nibiru phenomenon highlighted the power of misinformation and the need for critical thinking. The internet fueled the spread of Nibiru conspiracy theories, intertwining with other apocalyptic prophecies. The online community surrounding Nibiru grew rapidly, sharing interpretations and prophecies. The rise of Nibiru conspiracy theories demonstrated the power of the internet to disseminate misinformation. The story of Nibiru underscored the need for media literacy and critical thinking. One of the most prominent figures in the Nibiru conspiracy theory movement was Nancy Lieder, who claimed to be in contact with extraterrestrials from the Zeta Reticuli star system. In the late 1990s, Leda founded the website Zetatalk, which became a central hub for disseminating information about Nibiru and the supposed impending collision with Earth. Leda's claims, often presented as channeled messages from her extraterrestrial contacts, gained a significant following among those who believed in the Nibiru prophecy. Leda initially predicted that Nibiru would arrive in May 2003, causing a pole shift and widespread devastation. When this prediction failed to materialize, the date was later shifted to coincide with the end of the Mayan calendar in 2012. Despite the failed predictions, Leda continued to maintain her claims, attributing the non-arrival of Nibiru to various explanations, including government cover-ups and changes in the planet's trajectory. Leda's claims, while lacking scientific basis, resonated with a segment of the population who felt alienated from mainstream narratives and drawn to alternative explanations for global events. Her website became a forum for sharing anxieties about the future and discussing the supposed signs of Nibiru's approach. The Zetatalk community offered a sense of belonging and shared purpose for those who believed in the Nibiru prophecy. The Zetatalk phenomenon highlighted the power of charismatic individuals to influence beliefs and spread misinformation, particularly in the online environment. Leda's claims, despite being repeatedly debunked by scientists and astronomers, continued to circulate online, fueled by the echo chambers of conspiracy theory communities. The Zetatalk case study demonstrated the challenges of combating misinformation and the importance of critical thinking in evaluating online claims. The year 2012 became a focal point for Nibiru doomsday predictions, coinciding with the end of a cycle in the Mayan calendar. This convergence of ancient prophecy and online speculation fueled a wave of anxiety and anticipation, with many believing that Nibiru's arrival was imminent. The 2012 doomsday scenario gained widespread attention, fueled by books, documentaries, and online discussions. The Mayan calendar, a complex system of timekeeping used by the ancient Maya civilization, had a cycle ending on December 21, 2012. This date was interpreted by some as a prediction of the end of the world, and the Nibiru conspiracy theory became intertwined with this apocalyptic narrative. The supposed alignment of the Earth, Sun, and galactic center on this date was also cited as evidence of an impending catastrophe. Scientists and astronomers repeatedly debunked the 2012 doomsday predictions, emphasizing that the Mayan calendar simply marked the end of a cycle, not the end of the world. They also pointed out that there was no scientific evidence to support the existence of Nibiru or its supposed trajectory towards Earth. Despite these reassurances, the 2012 doomsday scenario continued to grip the public imagination. The 2012 phenomenon demonstrated the enduring power of apocalyptic prophecies and the human fascination with doomsday scenarios. It highlighted the challenges of communicating scientific information to the public and the ease with which misinformation can spread in the digital age. The 2012 doomsday predictions, while ultimately unfounded, served as a reminder of the importance of critical thinking and the need to rely on evidence-based information. The story of Planet X and Nibiru is a fascinating example of how scientific inquiry can become intertwined with mythology and speculation. While the search for a potential ninth planet, often referred to as Planet X, is a legitimate scientific endeavor, the claims about Nibiru are rooted in pseudoscience. Understanding the distinction between these two narratives is crucial. The scientific search for Planet X is driven by observable anomalies in the orbits of distant objects in the Kuiper Belt. These anomalies suggest the gravitational influence of a large, unseen planet. This search is grounded in empirical data and follows the scientific method. In contrast, the Nibiru narrative originates from interpretations of ancient Sumerian texts by Zecharia Sitchin. Sitchin's interpretations have been widely rejected by mainstream scholars. It is important to approach the information surrounding Planet X and Nibiru with a critical and discerning eye. By separating fact from fiction, we can gain a clearer understanding of our solar system. The scientific community's interest in a potential ninth planet stems from observed gravitational perturbations in the orbits of certain trans-Neptunian objects. These perturbations suggest the presence of a large, unseen planet exerting its gravitational influence. Astronomers are actively pursuing this hypothesis using sophisticated computer simulations and observational data. Future observations with more powerful instruments, such as the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, may confirm or refute the existence of Planet 9. This ongoing search is a testament to the scientific method's commitment to exploring the unknown and refining our understanding of the universe. The search for Planet 9 is not merely a hunt for a new world. It's a quest to understand the fundamental forces shaping our solar system's architecture. This ongoing scientific endeavor underscores the importance of continued exploration and the pursuit of knowledge in unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. The narrative surrounding Nibiru stands in stark contrast to the scientific search for Planet 9. Nibiru is a mythological construct popularized by Zecharia Sitchin's interpretations of ancient Sumerian texts. Sitchin's claims have been widely discredited by mainstream scholars and historians. The Nibiru myth often portrays this supposed planet as a harbinger of doom. These apocalyptic predictions have been repeatedly debunked by scientists and astronomers. There is no scientific evidence to support the existence of Nibiru. If a planet-sized object were on a collision course with Earth, it would be easily detectable. The persistence of the Nibiru myth highlights the power of belief and the allure of apocalyptic narratives. This underscores the importance of critical thinking and media literacy in the digital age. We must distinguish between scientific evidence and speculative fiction. The human fascination with the unknown drives us to explore the cosmos and seek answers about our place in the universe. The story of Planet X reflects this curiosity, blending scientific inquiry with imaginative speculation. The search for a ninth planet embodies the scientific method's quest for knowledge. The myth of Nibiru taps into our fascination with ancient mysteries and apocalyptic prophecies. While it can inspire breakthroughs, it can also lead to misinformation. Nibiru conspiracy theories show how speculation can overshadow scientific evidence. It's crucial to approach such narratives with a critical eye, separating fact from fiction. The pursuit of knowledge is an ongoing journey, filled with discoveries and dead ends. The search for a ninth planet may confirm its existence or lead to new explanations, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The quest for knowledge, whether it involves searching for distant planets or unraveling the mysteries of ancient civilizations, should be grounded in the principles of scientific inquiry. The scientific method, with its emphasis on observation, hypothesis formation, and rigorous testing, provides a framework for exploring the unknown and separating fact from fiction. By embracing this approach, we can avoid being misled by unfounded claims and appreciate the true power of scientific discovery. The scientific search for Planet 9 exemplifies the power of the scientific method. Astronomers, intrigued by the unusual orbits of distant Kuiper Belt objects, hypothesized the existence of a large, unseen planet. They then developed sophisticated computer models to test this hypothesis and designed observational strategies to search for this hypothetical world. This process, driven by data and rigorous analysis, represents the essence of scientific inquiry. The contrast between the scientific search for Planet 9 and the myth of Nibiru highlights the importance of distinguishing between evidence-based reasoning and speculative fiction. While the scientific community is actively searching for Planet 9 based on observational data and rigorous testing, the Nibiru narrative is rooted in misinterpretations of ancient texts and lacks any scientific basis. By understanding this distinction, we can avoid being swayed by unfounded claims and appreciate the value of scientific rigor. As we continue to explore the mysteries of our solar system and the broader universe, it is crucial to embrace scientific inquiry as our guiding principle. By relying on evidence-based reasoning, critical thinking, and a commitment to verifiable data, we can navigate the complex landscape of information and continue to expand our understanding of the cosmos. The pursuit of knowledge is an ongoing journey, and the scientific method provides the compass that guides us towards a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it.